All right. So, can you hear me? I do hope so. Going to wait for a confirmation on whether I am being heard. My God, the chat went a little kind of wild. Right, okay. Nice thumbs up icon. Right, so we've only got an hour of Skyrim mod testing, and so we're going to get right on with it. Get it in gear, and, well, just start. So, here's the thing. I have already found some mods. Well, I found one mod I really want to try. And that mod is not that one. It's one of the top ones. Or at least it was. Probably easier to find this here. Animated dragon wings. Well, there's already... Yes. Now, this is not a mod that I would normally play. Well, this is not a mod I will ever play, obviously. I say obviously, but you guys who watch my Let's Plays know this is not the sort of mod that I particularly care for because, you know, it's just not my style. However, I am fascinated by mods like this purely from a technical point of view and really, really want to see this in action. I'm dying to see this, but I resisted the urge to have a look at it earlier today. And I think from Yestermod. So that's it installed. Basically, you get potions offering your character animated dragon wings. These wings change its animation according to character behavior. And I love the idea of that. I think that's a really, really good idea. And I'm dying to see how it functions. You need the flying mod to fly with it. Yeah, of course you do. But you don't need to fly to test it. So it's one of those mods. There are several mods out there like that really do fascinate me from a technical point of view as a mod maker that I would never actually use. And this is just one of those. Excuse me, punching my microphone. For example, believe it or not, Schlangs of Skyrim, from a technical point of view, kind of fascinating, you know, just thinking to myself, well, that really is. Somebody knew their stuff when they were doing that. So I need to find a save that doesn't involve me being in the middle of combat. Change the title. What's wrong with the title? Skyrim Mod Testing? I think Skyrim Mod Testing is a good title, mate. Pretty sure it's a good title. Okay, so I should be getting dual snagger ability. Oh no, I already had the right one. Stop complaining, yes. Right. Last time I was here I had this issue, didn't I? Whereas it wouldn't stop. Yeah, that was the last title. Oh, go away, I'm the Harbinger. Yes. Let's go somewhere sunny. I want to see this in sunny weather. Let's go to the stables in Whiterun. Yes. It says playing Dark Souls for you, does it? That's interesting. Let me just check. Nope, it says Elder Scrolls for me. Skyrim Mod Testing for me. You have refreshed your browsers, right? Don't tell me you're doing this to me again. Don't tell me you're all going, oh, the title's such and such, and you've not refreshed your browsers. I'm going to facepalm again. Oh, God. Excuse me. Give me a second. Get the microphone in the right place. Give me a second. There we go. Right, yes. The reason it is not saying Skyrim Mod Testing for some people is they did not refresh their browsers. Again. How long have we been on the internet? Oh, some people's will refresh automatically. Some people's might. It can happen, but it doesn't always. So, there you go. If you weren't here for the Dark Souls play, and just got here, you didn't need to refresh. Anyway. Right, so after the facepalm moment, I should have been given some potions or something. It said, didn't it? It did. It said you'll get some potions. Didn't it say I get some potions? Did it lie to me? My game's looking good. Okay. Save. Please, no suggestions. No suggestions. We've got a voting system if I have time to do any mods that need voting, but it's unlikely that is going to happen. You will get potions offering your character an animated dragon wings. Nah. Okay. Using its own behavior to change the animation. No scripts used. No need in fnis. I'm guessing that's no need for fnis. And no need for skz. Install. Unpack. Data folder. I'm assuming doing it this way. Let's have a look at the mode. Is the frame rate horrible? Should be 30 frames a second. Let me have a look. Yeah, 30 frames a second, 1080p, no frames dropped so far. So, no, 30 frames a second. Really? You're all getting bad frame rates? Oh, this is really annoying. Let me double check. Broadcast. View resolution, 1080p, frame rate, 30. I have to make the potions? It says you get potions. It didn't say make them up. Right. Of course. You will get right, never mind. Okay, so the guy's English not necessarily the best, but let's not hold that against him because my every other language is not that good. So there you go. The frame rate should be fine. I'm uploading at 30 frames a second. I mean, it's not, I'd rather do it at 60, but 60 frames a second at 1080p gives Twitch a bit of a wobbler. So let's have a look. Ingestible. I'm guessing it's these. These are the things. Cure mutations, danger dragon wings. So they're just mutagen. Mutagen. Right, okay. There you go then. Mutagen. Does anyone get it? I know I should. I always, everyone goes, you should get the logo to stop coming up. Yeah, and every time I do it and then I reset my ini file, I have to redo it again and it's really annoying and yeah, but I should. Right. Mutagen. Twitch is making the comments contradict each other. No, that's just normal Twitch comments for you. The comments always. And what's worse is the comments don't just contradict each other. They call you stupid for not listening to their side. So it's a lose-lose situation, I'm afraid. Help. Mutagen. Okay, so we have got... Okay, no, I don't want the spell effects. I want... Player.add item 84 1 2 2 0. So let's have 10 of those. That's the common dragon wings. Then there's F5. He says pressing the wrong key. That was for the cure. Danger dragon wings. 3. Okay. 3 8 8 8. And 9. I can see comments whizzing past. I do hope people realise there's no way I'm going to read them while doing this. B, D, and F. B, D, F. How'd you get rid of the startup logo? B, D, and... what was it? B, D, and F. So the Snow Dragon Wings. Now I want 8, 9, 1. And 9, 3. 9, 1, and 9, 3. Where is it? 9, 1, 9, 3. 5, 3, 90. Oops. 5, 3, 90. 5, E, 59. Oh, I didn't like that one. 5, 3, 90. 5, 3, 90. What? What am I? 8, 4, 0, 0, 5, 3. Oh, because it's a spell. I'm trying to load spells now. Right, I've gone down my list too far. Down my list. I've got everything. I've done it. I'm carrying too much. Oh God, TGM. Thank God it's mode day. Right. Mutagen. Common. Dragon wings. Okay. Oh, I'll tell you what. Let's get rid of the cloak and hood and maybe the bow. There you go. Okay. I have to admit, it's the wrong character, isn't it? Really is the wrong character. But it is very well done. Okay. They're a little stiff when running, don't you think? Does anyone else think they're a little... They look like plasterboard wings. When you stop, they're good, but when you move, not so good. Let's sprint. Oh! Sprinting, they flap a bit too fast. That's a little fast. Little fast. And I want nice little swoops, okay? Jump. No. That is awesome. You actually get lift. And I thought I was getting a bit... Oh, right. If you keep your finger on... If you take your finger off the jump... No, okay. Okay, I got it. Oh, just God mode. I should have done T-detect as well, shouldn't I? I want to get up high. I want to see how much hang time I can get. Oh, could you just die? No? Okay. Let's turn off clipping mode. Jump off the side of High Hrothgar. Yeah, that could be brilliant. I just want to know, do you take that... Right, let's... I want to know somewhere where I will definitely die a horrible death. Turn off collision. Clipping. Turn off God mode. That should be good enough, shouldn't it? Right, are we ready? Are we... It does occur to me that I probably should save because I didn't... I don't want to do the whole potions things again. Okay, I'm falling. I can't die. Awesome! It's a hang glider. You know what? I love the gliding animation. What the hell was that? Yeah. Oh, right. It was my followers, probably. No, not unless my followers have learnt to shout. Okay. Nope, liking this. Right. Anyway, there are other ones. So that's common. Cure mutations. I think this is the one that just gets rid of everything. Let's just test that. Okay, there you go. Brilliant. Danger Dragon Wings. Oh, okay. Oh, right. Yeah, God mode again. God mode. Because I want a bit of run. Why can't I run? Why can't I run? Oh, I can run now. Okay. Yeah, right. Again, they look better when stationary. Running's not so good. And I think the small ones don't look as good when you jump. But they still look pretty good. Yeah. What about crouch? Oh, I forgot about crouching, didn't I? I forgot about crouching. Okay, crouching and jumping, not so good. I think he should fix that so when you crouch and jump, you get the same as the non-crouching jump. Okay, let's have a look. Dead Dragon Wings. What happened there? Do you have to cure them each time? You have to... Okay, not now. Not now. No, no. Go away. Okay, dead Dragon Wings. Oh, right. Okay, no, they shouldn't give lift. It's a little... It's a shame you have to have the cure mutagens each time. Okay, friendly Dragon Wings. They're pink. Okay. Cure. Snow. I guess it's just colours now. Oh, I drank that too fast. Cure. What about wisdom? Oh, drunk too fast again. And, alright. Gotta be honest, only the common ones work for me. I think they should be that big. They need to be at least that big to support your weight. But apart from that, I'm actually quite liking that. Put them on Steve. Yeah. And you really do get a lot of jump height. I actually think these... You know what I would like? Rather than via a potion, they should make it that if you're a vampire lord, you can press a hotkey. You just press a hotkey. Same way as I have hotkeys set for night vision. You should have a hotkey that springs the wings out, and then you can do long jumps. And then another hotkey to put them away. But you should also make it so if you have them out, the guards go bonkers. Because honestly, right about now, these guys should be a little freaky, shouldn't they? First person. Oh, yeah, okay. Right. Yep, first person's not a problem. They should be bigger and the membrane should go down to your legs. Yep. You want a wingman suit, don't you, basically? You should just get out there and go full wingman. Oh, that's not what I wanted to do. You know, like, I mean, here, the guards should now recognize me as being not quite normal. So, do you fly parallel to the floor? You don't actually fly. You sort of drop, but just a little slower. So, yeah, no, I like that. Now, apparently they look really, really, really good with the flying mod. So I really wanted to try. I really, really want to try the flying mod then. They are Skyrim people. They have seen some... Okay. Some very, very weird comments. Do they work with werewolf form? Well, they can't because you can't get to your inventory. You can't open your inventory. So, no, what I would like is instead of a potion to activate it, have it activated via a hotkey. I mean, to be honest, I think a spell or a power would be better anyway. Just a power. I mean, a power would do it. If you don't want to have a SKSE, just have a power that activates it, and you just toggle the power on and off, and it does it. I think that would really make that mod kind of useful. I mean, it would almost be like a halfway between vampire state. So I like the idea. And honestly, I think if you did that, if you added a power or a hotkey so that you could quickly put it on and off, made it so guards treated you exactly like a vampire, gave an option to only have it for vampires, got some screenshots that, you know, with people with clothes on, this would actually be one of those mods that I would really, really like for different playthroughs. The Steve playthrough, believe it or not. Imagine the Steve playthrough. Imagine, as a vampire, I could just sprout wings at any time and glide down, but I didn't have to go full vampire form. Very useful. Yeah, no, I like it. Anyway, so he says it works well with the flying mod, which is another mod I've not actually tried. However, it needs SKSE and the new Forest New Idols. So, right. I'm guessing then the installation is FNIS first. Installation. The mod requires this and this won't work without them. To install FNIS, please follow the instructions provided for it in the page. Alright. Every time you've installed or deinstalled FNIS or a FNIS-based mod. So, first of all, we do FNIS. I could see Steve with wings. Yeah, I mean, imagine Steve with wings, his ebony mail, the helmet. Kind of cool, kind of cool. Right. So, anyway, I've got FNIS downloaded. I'm not sure if that's how you say it, but it is from now on, because I'm not saying FNIS. Although you could make the same argument about SKSE. SKSE rolls off the tongue a little better, and seeing as the only other ways to say SKSE would be either SCSE, which would offend all geeks, or as the SKSE team wanted, well, didn't want, but joked, sexy. Which, yeah, right. What was I talking about? FNIS. F. Forest New Idols in Skyrim. So I'm going to activate that. And then I think I have to go along to... Let's just have a quick... Got to read... Oh, God. Horrible, horrible... Tools. It comes with tools. That's right. Tools. So we should actually have a README here. Does it come with a FNIS README or just README? No, FNIS README. Why is that not there? Name. Did I activate it correctly? FNIS. Yeah, that I suppose would work as well. I'm not seeing it. Has it not installed this correctly? Oh, it's not. It's not installed it correctly. Oh, good grief. Really? Don't package the mod that way. Do not package mods that way then. All right, let's kill you off. Let's kill you off. Better. You can read the instructions on the web page. Yeah, you can read them too. There's rather a lot. we got half hour. Tell me when you're done. Right. So, add finish behavior. All right. So now we should have tools. Excellent. And we should also have no, we don't. That's worrying. We should have. Oh, because it's outside. It's outside the. All right. You know what? The RAD viewer is better than the 7Z one. Anyway, so there you go. Installation. Install. This. Install creature pack if you want the creature pack. Idle spells if you want that. Install other FNIS dependent mods if you want those. So we've got that, and then flying mod. I'm not looking for an ESP. I was looking for a README. I was looking for a README, but the README is not under data, so it won't get installed. It'll only install everything that's under data. So it's got the meshes and the script. So we should find the fnis.pex, for example. If we go to scripts, we should find fnis. Oh, good grief. I order by date. fnis.pex. So it's installed the mod correctly. It just, unfortunately, because the README is placed outside the data folder, it doesn't install the fnis readme 5.0 text. I'm not liking the way he's packed the files, to be honest. I think they should be packed differently so that it automatically goes from Nexus Mod Manager. There's no real reason not to. So there's the flying beta mod installed as well. We should probably actually have now an ESP for the flying mod. There we go. And then the last step is go to Data Tools, generate FNIS for users, run it as administrator, select behavior patches. Okay, so let's do that. Why did you type RTFM? Cherub, congratulations. There's the manual. I'm reading it. You're a little late to the party. We still love you, but you're a little late. So, right, what was I saying before I got interrupted? So, yes. No, it says, right, I've installed the other thing as well. I need to go along to Tools, FNIS for Users. I need to then go and run generate FNIF for users.exe as administrator. Good God, I'm lost again. This one, as administrator. Yes. Hey, look at this. We have a tool. So, don't have any of these. Acrobatic jump. Select color red equals absolutely necessary. Part of and color red equals absolutely necessary, or nothing works. Did it select all of these while I wasn't looking? Let's do that again. All right. Call tool. Deinstall. I don't see anything there for my mod. Click update FNIS. I could. All right. 412 animations, 3 mods successfully included. Character. Reading F1 flying ring. So, all right, so it does it automatically. Okay. So the installation seems to be relatively simple. When you exit, Generate will ask you if a shortcut to the tool should be created to your desktop. Say yes. You will need the generator quite frequently. Create a desktop. Go on then. For more details, blah, blah, blah. Problem shooting, blah, blah, blah. So if we need the problems, yay. Okay, so we've installed it correctly. According to this. So, wow, all this mess for a mod. It's not the easiest mod to install, but it's not that hard. I mean, you know, you think this is a mess? What was that, L3ST4T75? My God, you should have been trying to mod 5 years ago. The hoops we had to jump through to get mods. And you only have to do this for these sort of more complicated mods. So, honestly, this is nothing. Right, let's have a look at this. So, we've got it installed. Out of all essential mods I thought Gopher had Finesse. Why would I have Finesse? I don't have any animation mods. Okay. I gotta tell you. Controls are now, for those who don't use the keyboard, you'll have to wait till SKSE adds some sort of compatibility. Compatibility for what? Controls now are, okay, bad, but I'll live for now. However, well, what do you mean for those who don't use keyboard, you'll have to wait for SKSE adds some sort of compatibility? You mean for controllers? I am fairly sure SKSE has compatibility for controllers, because SkyUI is compatible for it. I may be wrong about that, though. I will find out. I will chat with the boys. Where are the right, it adds a spell you can buy at any spell merchant, which allows the player to fly, playing custom animations. I'm uploading this as a beta due to known bugs. All right. Are you indeed? So, Finesse fixes some animation bugs from what I've heard. I don't really notice animation bugs, to be honest. Let's have a look. Mouse movement would need SKSE. Oh, I see. It's something to do with the mouse movement, is it? All right, I'm going to take your word for it. Book. Spell tome. Okay. Well, let's just look for the word flying. Let's look for the word flying. Yeah, people are thinking it's more mouse compatibility because it can't detect mouse movement, which is possibly true. It can detect mouse buttons, but mouse movement, that could be a different thing, I suppose. I can now try the poser pack. Yeah. Now, I've actually used Finesse and some of the animations before in one of my videos that I did taking the Mickey out of the Harlem Shake. So I have actually installed it before. You think it's now a power? Okay. People tell me to read the manual. I read the manual. The manual's not right. Typical. Okay. Carrying too much. You know what? Am I still carrying too much? Really? How much crap am I carrying? Don't answer that, guys. Do not answer that. I don't want to go God mode every single bloody instant. Daedric Polax. Yes, it's an old save, isn't it? Right. Dragonsteel Mace. Go away. Tanning Rack. Why do I have a tanning rack? Place that. No, drop it. Because tanning rack. Okay, so people are saying I might now have a power. Is it called flying? No. Are you sure? Are you sure there's a... Let me just... I'll save that again, just in case I end up dropping this. Right, so... I'm not calling you a liar, but I'm not saying flying. What's it called? No, it's not. It's kind of looking like you're lying to me. Okay. Help flying. So we should have spell. Dial. No, we don't want dials. We get book. There we go. Player.add item. Flying term 8500434A 1. And then, what was the next one? It was 8500 840B. 840B. And then the next one. 896F. Yay! There you go. Right, let's have a look under the books. Book. Oh my god, with the books. Should it be a spell tome? Shouldn't it be a spell tome? Apparently not. Flying tome. Read. We have... Let's save now. I don't want to go through all that again. We'll save over this one. Okay, so I now have a bunch of spells. Please tell me I actually can cast them. And they come under... Let's... Tell you what, let's... Flying spell. Didn't I just... Oh, it makes a sound. It makes a sound. Listen. Oh, it's when I go into combat. We didn't try that one. When I'm in combat, I get a flappy sound. Well, not in combat, but you know what I mean, when I've got my weapon drawn. Yeah, that's nice. Right, flying spell. Oh, it is a power. You're right, it's not a spell anymore, it's a power. That's what you meant by it's a power. You don't get the power, but it is a power. Oh, okay. All right. Oh my god. I'm an angel. Oh, I've changed my mind. It looks better on Richard. Oh, he looks terrifying. He's got that whole angel of the Lord come for vengeance thing going. Oh my god. Oh, it clips a bit. Okay. Dun. Fly by. Whoa. Oh, Why didn't I bang into that tree? That would have been far funnier. Oh, it uses stamina. Go. It clips. No, oh, you're going to... What? What do you mean I'm going to die? It said I was going to die. Why did it say I was going to die? Don't you say I'm going to die. Okay. My wings don't... Oh, God. It's got... Nice. Throw it at the world now. I'm gonna jump, and then no. What? Oh, okay. We got flapping. It is not. I tell you what. It's using the arrow keys, not the WASD. It's fine. Now I get a message when my stamina's low, and it goes, "You're gonna die." But I don't. You know why? Because I've got flappy wings that save me. Oh, you really... No, you don't. If you're using the wings, if you're wearing these wings, you don't get fall damage. You're immune to fall damage. You glide. So, bye, horse. Oh, you should... It really is a shame. It really is a shame that you clip. Oh, excuse me. Go away. Let's just leave him behind. Let's get back up high. Let's get there before I drop. Oh, yes. Okay. Okay. Now, there's also a fly spell companion. You kidding me? Where's Kajo? Okay, so I can make my... I have to get my companion with me. All right, what else do we have? We have a flying configuration. Speed, stamina consumption. No stamina no, absolutely none. We don't want stamina consumption because we... Beta collisions, yes! On! Hardcore. Effects, none. Fire, ice, shock, glow. Hello, glow. Dragon soul requirement. Bum to that. Speed. Default. Let's go a little faster. Oh my god, I'm having way too much fun with this. Right, let's go. I'm not glowing. I'm not glowing. You lied to... Am I glowing? I might be glowing. I don't know. Can't see with my EMB. Can I... You need to be able to go straight up. Can I do that? A little. Oh my god, I look awesome. Oh, come. Oh, can you... Oh, no. Let me... Okay. Do what? Exactly? Oh my god, no! Oh, let's see if I press the fire button. Okay. And then other arm. Okay. Maybe the greatest mod ever made. So, I can still shoot. I can shoot. Okay. Where are you? I hear running. I hear running. Who's running? Oh, it's my horse. You. Boom. Up. You missed. You looked cool. Okay, what just happened? You. Oh god, I think I'm clipping. Here's what I think. I think you should not go not go into a cam like that when you're All right, so it says clipping beta. Let's have a look. Okay, no, I'm hitting things. No, I'm going through them still. Okay. Make Carjo fly. Where was Carjo? Although, oi, both of you, come here. I have something for you. You can fly. Come here, Peter Pan. You can fly. You must be flying in order to... Oh, right, really? Flying spell. Boom. I'm now flying. Fly spell companion. You shall fly. Think happy thoughts, Carjo. We're off to Neverland. Oh, God. You don't get wings, though, mate. All right. Carjo needs... Oh, I'm sorry. Did we forget you? There you go. Second star on the right. Keep going to morning or something. I can't remember what it was. Following the leader, the leader, the leader. I'm following the leader wherever he shall go. Are they still with me? Okay, you know what? Flying without wings looks creepier. Slight clipping, boys and girls. Slight clipping. Slight... No. Off the wings! Just get off my wings! God, you're annoying. The both of you. Right. Sorry about that. I forgot you two didn't have wings. I think I just... Oh, come away! We're flying! Yes, blah, 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 blah. Sorry about that. I keep forgetting that you two don't have wings. Yes, no, my bad. Why am I... Put your hands away, thank you. I've also kept my speed up for some reason. So that's probably bad. Okay. Beta collisions on normal. Okay, let's just do it. And then... Alright, tell you what. Let's hotkey all these things, right? So... Right, now I should collide now. Oh. Okay, I collided with something. Okay, I collided with something a minute ago, but Oh, now I'm stuck in a building. Okay. Okay, I went through that. Okay, you're going too fast. Oh, I'm going too fast. Yeah, you know what? You're probably right. And here's where it gets worse. It's probably unfixable without just reloading. Make your horse fly. Oh, God, that's what we need now. A horse with wings. OMG. Wow, that's what we need. Oh, brilliant. That is what we need. Flying spell. Think about that. Flying spell, flying companion, flying configuration. Let's do configuration first. Leave the speed as it is. No. Speed. And then let's try effects. Fire. And then beta collisions on. Hardcore. Exit. Okay, let's have a look. Oh, the wings. No. Is it? It's just... No. I don't have any fire. Anyone else? I don't see fire. Do you see fire? I don't see fire. I'm not seeing fire. Let's see if the collisions work. Windmill incoming. Boom. Straight through. Into the ground. Through the ground. I'm going to go on a limb here and say collisions not working. It is a beta. It does say beta collisions. It does say beta collisions. And I'm going to let it off. But who doesn't love this? This is pretty damned awesome. I got to admit, 2 mods I will never use whilst playing. But I have to admit, they are a lot of fun. A lot of fun and very well done, actually. The wings are really, really well done. If you could add those to a horse and make the horse fly, just kudos. I actually think, you know, you don't need the full flight. I think the wings with the hover thing, with the enhanced jump and then hover, work just fine. Let's just end this. I mean, okay. Why am I not flight lost? Okay, you have to. Right, I mean, for me, this mod, forget the flying, forget needing to fly. If you made this wings mod, do all the things I already said, have it as a power, have it as something that frightens guards, but also have it so that when you jumped, you went up 20 meters and then really slowly, and I do mean really, really slowly, floated down. So it's not like flight, but it's extended gliding. I mean, imagine that if I just... Someone said find a dragon. One might have found us. If I press the jump key now, went about 10 meters into the air, and then just very, very slowly fell down, like a glide, that would be good enough. And you could leave it... You could leave it clipping. Can you turn the wings off? You can, but again, because of the way he's implemented it via potions, you do it like that. But I think have a power. You press the power once, the wings come out, and then you can jump and do all the things. You know, I'm going to compile a list of things. I'm gonna compile a list of things that I want doing and send it to the mod maker and beg him to implement them. Because honestly, I think here he could have one of the greatest vampire mods of all time. You make a version of this for vampires only. That's a power, comes with a few negatives, and has low-level flight. And we're just talking win. Go werewolf. I don't think it'll work. But I'll try it. People want me to go werewolf. So let's see. shout while in flight. That could be interesting. Oh no! You lose them. You lose them. I thought for a second it was going to leave. Oh! You lose them, but you still get the hang time. Oh my god. How terrifying is this? Look at this. Oh god. How really, really horribly terrifying would that be? You know, you go, boom. Oh. Oh yeah, no, yeah, a werewolf with wings. That would be ridiculous. Oh no. Okay. Honestly, I think that mod, I know at the moment it's kind of mostly about the cosmetics. There is some useful aspects to it, but I think that could be turned into something, I don't know, fairly serious as a vampire mod. I think this could be pretty much I don't know, awe-inspiring. That's how agile a werewolf should be. That wasn't agile, that was hang time. There's a big difference between agile and hang time. But yeah, I mean, all in all, someone said I should try shouting. So alright, let's go for an unrelenting force. No, it won't let me. Oh, it let me for a second, but then it's... No. I get this really feeble, kind of. And I seem to now be in combat. Yeah, I get this little wussy sort of thing. Oh. Yeah, no, don't vote for mods. Why is Moobot saying vote for bot? Don't be voting for mods because we're... Okay, I'm clipping. Ah, you know what? And there's another possible downside. If you quit the game, sorry, if you reload a game whilst in flying mode, it keeps the clipping up. This is probably why he considers it a beta. Trying to make this. Oh, but look at that. Look at that. If you think about it, though, the existing vampire has some element of flight. He stays a certain height off the ground. So all you'd need to do is, with this, make it so that you automatically go up a little bit like that and then just hover. I think you could do this. I think you could make it fly without needing the flying mod. I think you could do it without the flying mod, and you could do it in a way that was reasonably balanced, but also didn't need, like, it didn't need no clipping, because there's the no clipping that's kind of annoying now, because of course I can just zip into the mountain. But if you did this the same way as the Vampire Lord does his flying, hovering thing, you wouldn't need it. But honestly, look at it. That is pretty damned awesome. I gotta be honest. for a pair of mods that are not my style, I love this. Yeah, Talking Rock says, loves the way Richard's just looking around like, yeah, whatever, flying, been there, done that. How high can you go? Probably as high as the game lets you. Anyway, guys, so that's it. That is it for the Skyrim mod testing. Got the mods I wanted to test done, and to be honest, I'm liking them more than I thought I was going to. So there you go. And the FNIS is actually, I mean, it's not that hard to install. It really isn't, but it probably does need a little bit of reading. People need to understand what they're doing. So in actual fact, FNIS is a prime candidate for a mod sanctuary mod, because it's one of those mods that a lot of people probably take one look at and think, oh hell no. But in actual fact, it's not that bad. It's not actually that bad. So I may actually do a mod sanctuary on FNIS and these wings, because I'm liking it. Anyway, So, Skyrim mod testing done. I'm going to grab another cup of coffee and then we're going to do Dawnbreaker while hovering. Oh, Dawnbreaker. Let's have a look. Where is Dawnbreaker? Ah, excuse me. Oh, it glows. Look at the wings. What happens when he takes... All right, draw your weapon. He can't. Oh, yes, he can. It just takes a while. If I fly, does it change the animation again? Yes, it does. Brilliant. Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, this is it. Screenshot moment. Oh, no, I've got to get the right... I've got to get the God raised. Oh. I've got to get this perfect. I've got to get this perfect. I'm going to get... Right away. Right away. Oh, it's too far. It's too far. Too far. Come on. Get in. Get in. Get in. Get in. And... We need the God rays. We need the God rays. That'll do. It's a little too close now. What is going on? I can't quite get it. It's pretty good, though. Let's get a bit further. Come on, let's get those God rays in. Yeah, there we go. Screenshot. Where's my screenshot? God, I just don't do this often enough. OMG. I never realised it. But with wings, he does look pretty... Archangel Richard, as someone actually said. Oh my God. I'm leaving it right there. Oh, brilliant. Brilliant. Yes. Okay, taking a quick 5-minute break, and then I will be back with some Fallout New Vegas mod testing. I will see you in a minute. I'm stopping the stream, and I'll be starting it again, so don't worry. I'll be starting it again in 5 minutes.